Hello once again. I forgot to mention two small things. One, we didn't check it in darkness, and second is this distance warner. So there is this small speaker which is present there, and as I told you, there is this connection, and you can simply add it. And I hope it will sound without a surprise. So according to the specification, you just have to connect it, and as it is mirroring the distance, once it goes in this yellow and red region, it will do this beeping slowly or then intensely when it is in the red region. So yeah, this should be simple plug and play. I'm not going to do it because of the reasons. I don't want to make much sound, and I don't know how loud it is. That's why I'm just avoiding it to connect here at this time in the night. One thing, this night vision we can check surely. So I'll just turn off the lights and we'll see that how does it looks like, and do we see anything or not. So as you can see that I have turned off the light. So if I come really close, you see that I am visible somehow, but now is the main reason why there should be this distance mirroring, because you see that with this amount of light which is emitting from these LEDs which are present here, it's not so good visible, even though with these LEDs. And if you have, of course, you have reverse lights and other lights from your own car, but even then I would not completely rely on the lightning. And in this case, I think this distance measurement is actually very helpful. So if it's come closer, you see that, okay, close again now. So we have to, I think, add this thing, which is, so you see 0.4, 0.3, stop, 1.2, and far away. So here on the same side, you see that we have this 0.7, 8, 9. Once we go closer, 0.5, 4, 3, stop. So exactly in this point, I would say that the distance measurement is really, really helpful. So you see that here, once I have this placed right here, you see it's 0.6 constant, then 0.5, 0.4, and back. So one important thing, you see that the readings are really changing, and that depends on the orientation, because you see that this is the reflection measurement or method to detect the distance. And in this case, it's really important that the object which is there, it should be constant. So once you hold this thing, then you get the values. And when you move, then you change the reflections and the device cannot measure. So of course you don't expect that the thing is moving behind, and the object is usually constant. Even though if it is in the middle, you get pretty good values and pretty constant as long as these are there. Yeah, so this was a quick addition, the night vision of this thing. Thanks.